RGI concerns. Registrar General of India, RGI, urges hospitals to report births and deaths within 21 days due to non-compliance and aim for 100% universal registration. Low reporting. Around 10% of births/deaths are unregistered, hindering the goal of universal registration. Mandatory registration. Registration of Births and Deaths, RBD, Act, 1969, amended 2023, mandates registration of all births and deaths. Digital registration. Since October 2023, all registrations must be done digitally through the Civil Registration System, CRS. Registration process. Government hospitals are registrars, private hospitals report events. Negligence in registration leads to a fine up to 1,000 rupees. Centralized portal. Digital birth certificates are single proof of date of birth for services like education, jobs, and marriage. Data updates National Population Register, NPR. RGI observations. The RGI said that it has been observed that some hospitals, instead of registering the events, wait for the relative of the baby or the deceased to approach them. Vital Statistics Report delay. Vital Statistics of India report, crucial for socio-economic planning, hasn't been published since 2020. Registration statistics. Registered births decreased in 2020, while registered deaths increased. Births and deaths outside India, for Indian citizens. Births outside India of parents returning to India to settle can be registered within 60 days from the child's arrival in India. Deaths of Indian citizens abroad are registered at the Indian Consulate under the Citizenship Act, 1955, and are deemed valid under the RBD Act, 1969.